My dear beautiful video viewers, welcome back to my brand new English content. Once again, before you, it's me Mamun in front of you with an English speaking video. First of all, I want to share with you. Yesterday I was passing very busy time with my daily activities. That's why yesterday I didn't make English video in front of my camera. For that I'm feeling so bad. It doesn't matter. Today I have come in this place in order to practice my English. At the same time, today in this video I will explain several matter. That's why this video will be helpful for our English learner. Many English learner, they always ask me, brother, how we can improve our speaking skills, how we can improve our learning English. That's why today I will share this matter. You know that I'm from countryside, it doesn't matter. Like this way I practice my English every single day. How we can improve our speaking skills? First of all, I want to share with you, if you are English learner, if you want to learn English quickly, first of all you must have a strong mindset. It is very important for our every English learner. Side by side, you know that English is not our mother tongue. It doesn't matter. If you practice English regularly, you can improve your speaking skills. At the same time, you can become good speaker. For that, you have to practice English regularly. At the same time, you have to make English video in front of the camera. It is so important for you. Side by side, how we can improve our speaking skills? When you will be free, you try to speak with your different countries friend. You can speak with your siblings, you can speak with your friends. Like this way you can improve your speaking skills. It is so important for our every English learner. You see my English video. Like this way I practice my English every single day. Side by side, when I get free time, I try to practice my English in public place. It is so important for me. If you are passionate English learner, you try to learn some basic grammar. It is so important for you, and it is so important for our every English learner. If you don't know grammar properly, you will not be able to speak with your friend. You will not be able to speak with your siblings. That's why you have to know some basic grammar. It is so important for you. I have seen many English learner, they don't practice English regularly. They don't maintain their consistency. They don't know English grammar properly. It is so bad for our English learner. If you want to improve your fluency, you have to know some basic grammar. Many English teachers they tell us grammar isn't important for our speaking skills. I will tell my audience, grammar is very important for our every English learner. If you want to speak with your different countries friend, if you want to make English video every single day in front of your camera, grammar is so important. If you don't know grammar properly, you will not be able to make English video in front of the camera. So grammar is very important for our every English learner. Side by side, when I was beginner, at that time I used to practice my English in a field. I used to learn many vocabulary. I used to learn some basic grammar. It is so important for us. If you are English learner, like this way you can improve your fluency. Sorry, like this way you can improve your fluency. Like this way you can start your English journey. Like this way you can improve your speaking skills. So keep practicing, keep making English video. At the same time you can speak so loudly in public place. You can practice English like this way. I hope that you can improve your speaking skills very easily. So keep practicing, keep making English video.